Hello and welcome to part 2 of drawing faces and heads. So I normally start with a circle. And then a line down the middle. A line across. Just for the eyes. And the nose. And the lips. For the sockets, I just colored in. Just like so. The nose. For the jaw. For the ears, the distance is normally between the eyes and the nose. For the hair, on the lips, just shaded in. You can get rid of these lines. Just there to help you with the proportions. Try to flip your canvas, or yeah, try to flip it. To do that, I changed my hotkey to Control S. On your edit, and flip canvas, or flip, yeah, horizontal. Flip canvas, I changed it to flip canvas. It just flips the whole thing. That's what it did. That hotkey, image, and I changed it to F1. F1 is just the help button. You can change it to whatever you like. Flipping it will help you see the different sides, so if it's a little off, you can fix it. And for the eyes, just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Even though I'm fixing it a lot. Actually gotta change. Bring the eyes lower. A little bit too high. So what I did there, I used the ellipse tool, or not ellipse tool, lasso tool. And just circle around it and then use the move tool to bring it down. And then Control D is to deselect, or just right click deselect. That's if you're using, using Photoshop, so. So for the nose, I'm gonna just, for that shape, I put it there. I'll just carve it out and add to it. It's kind of sad actually, so let me change it. Probably will just speed up some part of this, so it kind of pace slow. Move the lips up a little bit. I think the reason why I paint so slow is because we keep fixing a lot of stuff. Even though I should just let it be and fix it later or something. And yeah, this is not normally how I draw face. Actually, I have so many styles to draw face. This is a general idea, I guess. I think I'll make a video on how to color and shade. I guess blend too. So yeah, that's how I draw a face. I guess looking this way, I guess.